This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Well, my plan for today is…
Ooh! I've just watched Moana! Let's throw a Moana-themed party! Pretty please, Susie!
Huh! Sammy, it's actually a great idea! Let's do this! Some magic, and this cardboard turns into a fishing hook! Now, let's paint it! Awesome! It's almost done! I only need to wrap it around with this rope.
Faster, Sue! Tighter! Looks great!
Thank you, Sammy. Well, the handle is ready.
And I've already started to work on the decoration part!
Great! It's my turn again. Sammy, come take a look.
Wow! It's gorgeous, like the one from the animated movie!
I bet Maui would love this hook, too.
Sue, I can't find glasses for the drinks. It's a disaster!
No worries. I've got an excellent idea.
Cool! I'll make one too.
That's great. Just make sure you paint it well so there's no gaps.
I'll help you with this one, Susie. All done.
Then it's time to draw a face on it.
Look at mine. Impressive, huh?
Very. These Kakamora-inspired cups turn out awesome. Remember the order: the eyes, the eyebrows, a big smiling mouth, and some bright patterns. Well, looking good, huh?
Where did you find such cool hats?
Oh, Sammy, these are the lids for our cups. See? They fit perfectly.
Check me out, Sue. I'm like in a circus or something.
Actually, these are straws for our drinks.
Ow! Straws? Oh, I see.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to find another way to have fun. Wait, Sammy, what's this?
Sweet gold coins, of course. And we have nowhere to put them.
No problem, I've got an idea. Could you bring me a marker, please?
Here you go.
Why, thank you. Done. Now for the next detail. The outline should be very precise. This black part goes here.
Sue, I found some weird teeth. What's that?
Oh! They are just what I need. One more. Perfect. Now, this is gonna be the shell. And this is our crab, Tamatoa.
Crab, you say? Then I guess he's missing something. Now that's more like it.
Good thinking, Sammy. You can put your sweet coins here now.
Here they go.
Wow. Sammy, we're rich. Do you like them, Tamatoa? What's going on here? Ah, it's our piñata base.
Piñata? Wow, it sounds cool. Wait, what is that bridge?
It's not a bridge, Sammy. It's the sidewall. See? Here, the main part is ready. It's time to decorate it. Ta-da!
Sue, can we use this?
Of course, Sammy. Look. And now it's time to fill our piñata with candy. That's what we've got. A bright, colorful piñata that looks like Heihei.
That made me thinking. We don't have treats for our guests.
Let's work on it then. Sugar, butter, and whoosh! We need eggs too.
Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Vanilla extract, and a bit of salt. Also, we can't do without flour. And baking powder. Okay, Sammy, let's divide this dough into 2 parts. I'll add a few drops of the green food coloring and mix it really well. This part is going to be slightly lighter. Nice! Now, we need to prep everything for our future cookies. Now we need to freeze it.
For how long?
Just 15 minutes. Now I'll cut it into pieces. These are gonna be our future cookies.
Wow, so many cookies. Do you think I'll get to eat like 5?
Maybe, Sammy. We'll just have to wait and see. Sammy, our cookies are ready. Mmm, smells yummy.
Let's taste them while no one's looking.
So slick. Okay, let's do this.
Sue, how are we going to entertain our guests?
Glad you asked. We'll make slimes. Here comes some glue. Lots of it, actually. Then, I'll add some coloring and mix it all together. Wow! This glue looks nice. Now, I'll pour a little bit of detergent and mix it all really well. It looks like our slime is ready. Let's see. Oh, it's so soft. I bet I can mix it even better with my hands. Now, let's decorate our slime with glittering shells. The more, the better. It's like we've got ourselves a piece of the ocean. Oh, I really can't stop playing with it. Okay, let's put our ocean back into the jar. Looks very pretty, if you ask me.
And I've made a green slime. Check it out.
Wow, Sammy, it's so pretty and so nice to the touch. Let's decorate it. What does it remind you of, friends? A real green treasure, right?
They are both so pretty, Sue. I can't wait to play with them.
And what about you guys? Do you like these slimes? Then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Sue, we need more sweet treats. Any ideas?
Actually, I've got one. This is a pack of gelatin. Let's make some Jell-O. Now, we need to add 4 spoons of cold water.
And that's all we need?
No, it's just the beginning. Next, we add boiling water. And mix it all together very well. Time for food coloring.
I brought the cup, Sue.
Just in time. Thank you, Sammy. I'll pour our future Jell-O into each cup. Now, we'll just leave them in the fridge for an hour.
Wait, what is it? Sue, look, I found cookies. Apparently someone has left them here.
Yeah, me. And now I'm gonna give them the right treatment. I want it to look like real sand. Our Jell-O is solid. Great! Now, we can build some sandy islands in these oceans. Next, I'll show you how to make little boats. These are gonna be sails. I'm sure you recognize them from the animated movie. Amazing!
Sue, I've made 2 sails.
Great job, Sammy. Now they go here. All done.
Wow, I wish I could sail on one of those across a Jell-O ocean.
What a nice dream, Sammy.
Sue, I'm sure our guests will love these desserts.
Oh yeah, they look perfect.
Ow! Huh? My tooth has fallen out? Duh!
No need to worry, Sammy. It's just a baby tooth. We have Maui's fishing hook. Now, we'll make his necklace. Looking good. Now, I'll try to make a smaller tooth. Great. All the teeth are ready. We need to tie them all together.
Sue, look! I've made an even better rope for you.
Thanks, Sammy. It's perfect. Ta-da! Very pretty. Now, I'll tie together the ends, and the necklace is finished.
Looks super cool. I'm gonna try it on.
Well, Sammy, I think we're ready for the party.
But how about decorations?
Right. Let's make a garland. Voila! Tropical leaves will be perfect.
We can use this to hang them.
That's right. Good choice of colors, by the way. Wow! Just look how pretty our garland is. I want to add some flowers, too. Oh, I already feel like I'm on a tropical island.
Wow! That's turned out even better than I thought. Sue, what are you going to wear to the party?
Good point. Let's make a crown for me. First, I'll cut out some details. Sammy, we need more leaves.
Coming, and I know how to make it faster.
Whoa, that's a really cool idea. I know a cool trick too. Easy peasy. Now, I'll glue the leaves to this band. I also want to make some flowers from this. Whoosh! Great!
These are for you, Sue.
Thanks. Wow, these look awesome! Here we go. Perfect! I really love my floral crown.
Whoa, I feel like it suits me better. I can finally eat these.
This party is great.
You don't say, Susie.
Oh! Look where we are! We're in Brazil! Oh, what a beautiful, exciting place! There must be so much to see. Let's have a look around. There are amazing views, beautiful beaches, and lots of tall buildings. All of these buildings have just given me a great idea. Let's try something. Try making a brilliant, bright and busy picture for a colourful effect. Let's make it! We'll need a mini maker to help us. Let's see if there's one nearby. Hello, mini makers. Now, who's going to help me today?
Hello, Mr. Maker. I'm Louisa.
Hello, Louisa.
I can help you.
Oh, that's great news. Everyone else, thank you very much. Fantastic. Louisa is on her way to help us make our picture. But first, we'll need somewhere to make it. Oh, fantastic! The marvellous maker case has become a marvellous making table. Now we just need some arty things to help us make our picture. We'll need some paper or card, Some pens. Scissors and a glue stick. And of course, we'll need one more thing. Oh, hello, Scraps. Oh, what have you got there? Oh, lots more scraps. Then I see you're wearing your crown because you are the king of scraps. Right, I'm going to put these over here. But Scraps, what we really need now is some stickers. Can you find me some, please? Oh, he's brilliant. Oh, well done, Scraps. That's just what we need. Bye. We've got some stickers. Excellent. We've got everything we need. Although it does feel like something's missing. Do you know what it is? No.
I hear it's a maker.
Of course, Louisa! It's you, my friend. Oh, it's lovely to see you. Thank you so much for coming. And you are just in time to help us make our picture. It's a bright and busy city picture with lots of crazy-looking, colourful buildings. So, Louisa, are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's get making. Now, Louisa, the first thing we need to do is draw everything in our picture. Do you like drawing?
Yes.
Oh, good. I like drawing as well. And we're going to start by drawing the road. So, can you pass me that long piece of grey paper there? Because we're going to draw a long, wiggly road. There. A long, wiggly road. Right, I'm going to put that over there. And now, let's see what else we need in our picture. We need some colourful buildings, a sun, a fluffy cloud, and a car driving along the road. Louisa, look, we've got lots of different types of paper here that we're going to draw our shapes on. Here's some nice purple paper for you, and here's a pen. Let's start drawing. Everything is drawn. We've got building shapes, a cloud shape, a car shape, and a round sun. All right then, Louisa, we now need to cut everything out, but we must be careful because scissors are...
Sharp.
That's right. When everything is cut out, it's time to arrange our pieces onto our backing paper. You can use whatever colour paper you like, but today we're going to use which colour?
Blue.
This blue colour will look really lovely as the sky. Put the buildings behind the road and the car on top of the road. When everything's in place, glue it down like this. We're nearly finished, but now we need to add some stickers. We've added stickers for the lines in the road, the windows in the buildings and the car. Oh, and look, we've added half a circle-shaped sticker for the headlight. We've finished! And if you enjoyed that, why not try these other ideas too? You could make a terrific train with a colourful paper engine and a wrapping paper carriage. Or how about a cute country scene with a bright red tractor and a pink paper pig? Or you could even make a brilliant jungle with a crazy crocodile and a cheeky monkey. Why don't you try one of those ideas today? Thank you so much for your help, Louisa. We made it! High five! What a brilliant, bright and busy picture. Well done, Louisa.